everybody, Las Vegas Bus Sales.
Let's take a walk around, check it out. Hey everybody, it's Las Vegas Bus Sales. Johnny Ringo here, excited to show you one of my favorite buses, which is a Bluebird. That's a 2013 Bluebird All-American FE front engine. We got an engine up here that's a 6.7 Cummins. This is a very clean bus. It seats 84 children, or you can crew hauler or adventure tours, 56 adults. It is not AC equipped. Let's take a walk around and check it out. Of course, we do have heat, but it is a very clean shuttle, and it's a runner. This thing will run. If I was racing buses, I'd pick this one. Not that I'm recommending you race a bus, but you get what I mean. Tires, fronts, they're all right, right? Plenty of meat on those, but I'm not real excited about them. They're okay. Straight metal all the way down the side. We'll see if we can point out any imperfections. We got some rear tires here. We do have plenty of meat on those. Coming around to the back here. Looking good. We do have a rear, of course, this is loaded with lots of features, including front and rear steel bumpers, driver mirrors, and roof hatch, rear emergency exit door. We're going to check out the inside when we go in there. Coming around to the back here, this bus, of course, does take diesel, and you'd feel it right here. It takes 100 gallons of diesel. DEF fill. And it takes DEF. School bus drop-down style windows on a school bus. That makes sense. Same story. We filled it. This front tires, same story on this side. What do you think of those, Dan? I'm not too excited about them.
I think they were 7, 8, 30 seconds.
7, 8, 30 seconds. Yeah, I mean, they'll do the job if you're going to do a crew hauler or something but driver's area is impressive. You know what? Let me get in there and fire it up. Let me do that. I'll show you because this thing is a runner. I like it. We'll just fire it up real quick. Of course, you got your driver's fan switches. You got all your light controls. You got AM, FM stereo up there. We have high idle. And this bus does have cruise control, which is a real nice feature. Fires right up. There's all your heater controls. We got a lot of heat on this bus if you're going to operate in cold climates. 144,000 miles. That puts it on the low end we see on these used buses. We got a PA mic. Check, check. Oh, we won't get into that now. Check, check. Check, check. Hey, what do you know? We got a PA mic working. Ah, there we go. That's exciting. What do you think of the seats, Dan?
There's like some small cracks and stuff in some of the bottoms.
Small cracks in some of the bottoms.
Nothing we can swap out some covers if we need to.
Right on. Maybe swap out some covers. Cool. The backs look good. Yeah, I see what you're saying. The butt bottoms are kind of cracking. I didn't get the height on that. What is it, 6'6"? 6'5" on the height. We're going to post that on the website. And where that website is LasVegasBusSales.com, or give us a call, 877-456-9804. It is a beautiful day in Las Vegas. Have a nice day.